Hello everyone, have a nice day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 4th standard and subject English. Students, now we are going to do book back exercise from unit 2, the lesson The Little Fir Tree. First, take your English textbook, students. Your first exercise in page number 27. Students, use pencil to write your book back exercise. Okay? Your first part is reading is fun. Tick the correct answer. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but a man stole them. A man stole them is the correct answer. The fir tree was sad because it had needle like leaves. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. A man stole them. And then next page. Word building. Whichever word is circle, we have to write opposite for that. Okay? Yes. For example, I carry a light bag to school every day. The word light. What is the opposite word for light? Yes, heavy. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Reena won the race. Reena lost the race. I love eating vegetable. What is the opposite word for love? Hate. I hate eating vegetables. This glass of milk is full. This glass of milk is empty. The old man is wise. The old man is foolish. And then next part. Have you finished your writing, students? Yes. Now, give the opposite of the words below by adding an or im. Happy, unhappy. Polite, impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Important, unimportant. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Pure, impure. Next part. Give the opposite of the words in blue. What is the opposite word for love? Hate. So loved, hated. Go out. Come in. Come. Go. Everywhere. Now here. Down. Up. Now here. Everywhere. Last. Found. Crying. Laughing. Happy. Sad. rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. Okay, here passage is given for you. Students, starting letters should be in capital letters. Okay, and name should be in capital letters. Here, first word O is should be in capital letter O. And Saturday, yes, should be in capital letter. And then here, Amarjit, Rani, India Gate, I and G should be in capital. And last word, Raj, R should be in capital. Okay? And then next part. Here picture is given for you. Yes. Look at the picture below. In the yellow box, there are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see the other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see. You can see 4 things in this picture. Here, ducks and dog. Have you seen the dog in this picture? Yes, no. So, ducks, boy, girl and tree. Write down the answers here. Ducks, boy, girl and tree. Look at the picture again. Describe the picture. A boy and girl have come to a park for outing. They are enjoying the natural scene by the side of a pond. 2 ducks are swimming in the water. 2 ducks are swimming in the water. A bird is sitting near the mat. A bird is sitting near the mat. The boy is looking at the bird. The boy looking at the bird. He looks happy. Right? Yes. Let's move on the next part. Fun time. Glass breaks easily when it is dropped. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books, or your plastic water bottle can break easily? Circle the things that can. So here, a glass spoon, wooden table, flower pot, plastic water bottle, books and cup. So you have to circle the things which can be broke easily. Okay? So here glass spoon and flower pot. These 2 things are break easily, right? Circle these 2 things. Spoon, flat pot. Which of the following actions could make others happy or unhappy? Okay? Actions that make people happy. Respecting elders. Being polite. Playing with friends. Visiting a sick friend. Caring for pets. Being honest. actions that make people unhappy. Not saying thank you, not sharing, not sharing and watching television all day. Being greedy, telling lies, getting angry easily. Okay? Students, I have given PDF in assignment column. You may refer that pages and write your book back exercise. Okay? Again, I tell you, use pencil to write your book back exercise. Okay? Thank you.